MBS Forest with another video. Today we're gonna top this pine tree that's interfering with some antennas. Let's get it. The way we're gonna approach this tree is by climbing up manually and limbing it as we go until we reach a point of topping. Right here we're almost at our height that we need to top at, so we should be going for that shortly. Stay tuned. And like how you guys heard, we're going for that face cut, and before you know it, that back cut. And here's the exciting part, check it out. This is the back side view when we're topping it. I tried to power through the whole top so it wouldn't pull so much, and it still made a little bit of movement.
Beautiful!
These might not seem big, but check out the sound when they hit the floor. Stay clear, you don't want it to be a tortilla. I'm telling you, don't want to be a flat tortilla. That's it. See you guys on the next one.